All right, Ricky, here's your 427 small block Ford. Keep scripting this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got the pan on it you wanted. Got your front end here. Got some grind hydraulic roller, if I mentioned that. Got the Edelbrock air gap. MSD Pro Billet. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 504 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 529, peaks horsepower of 555. So we rate this at 575. Customer couldn't run a Vic Jr. on it, so we put an air gap, so it runs pretty good, and that's even with the front end on it. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple of things. Receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, dyno video, engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That will take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.